YCDG here, everyone. Welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the merch. It's pretty gas, it's pretty fire. YCD merch down in the description. But besides that, so we're gonna be doing a little video today, installing this new bar and mirror that I got, because the other one was keep rattling loose and shit. It was annoying. But so we're gonna be installing a new bar and mirror, plus talking about the mods I've done to this bike already. So let's get right into this video. All right, so when you pop out this little bar end area, there's gonna be a little thing in there like this. You gotta yank it out. I'm gonna open up the bar end mirror real quick. Gonna open that up for you guys. This is the bar end mirror. I'm gonna open up the packaging real quick. This is how it looks. We're gonna go ahead and pop it in. All right, well, we just got the new bar and mirror installed. I'm going to set this over here, over here. All right, new bar and mirror is over here. There she is, looking great, looking a lot more visible than that little arrow weird mirror thing I was having going on. But yeah, so that is the bar and mirror install. Super easy, super simple, like very easy. The thing I want to talk to you guys about is the modification I've done to this bike. So let me flip the camera. All right, everyone. So far, everything I've done to this bike, these mirror deletes plus LED blinkers, those ones were a pain in the ass to install, but they look very good. This front axle slider, yeah, that, and then that, perfect. Obviously, bar and mirror. We're gonna go to the rear over here. This is new. We got the rear seat delete, the fake carbon suede bullshit it has. We got the rear tail tidy tucked. It looks very clean. We also got this aftermarket Dolkovich slip-on. We got my Guardian bell. We got the cat deleted but stock headers. We also got these GB Racing side engine case covers. Try to look on the other side real quick. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but the GB Racing side. And we also got these frame sliders. Go to this side that has better lighting. Look at that. We got those front, we got the frame sliders. So yeah, obviously I got a trickle charger, and then we got these rear stands, bad boys. That is basically everything that's done to the bike. I do have more parts coming in. We got aftermarket rear sets coming in. I have aftermarket levers that I need to install. And then obviously back here, we got some new tires for the bad boy, because these tires are from 2013. But hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and make sure to check out the merch. There's more things to come. It's wintertime, it's cold, it's been like 30 degrees outside, so I've not been riding. I don't have a lot of footage to go through. I'll catch y'all later.